Shoreham Vehicle Auctions Car Auction Honest Review Watch before using. Most people assume buying a car at auction is risky, but Shoreham Vehicle Auctions provides a structured, transparent process for both buyers and sellers. Shoreham offers public and dealer auctions for cars, trucks, and commercial vehicles. One standout feature is their detailed vehicle catalog with photos, descriptions, and sometimes condition reports. This gives buyers a clear picture before bidding. Most people get this wrong. They think auction cars are always damaged or overpriced. The surprising truth is that auctions can offer great deals, often below market value, especially for well-maintained or fleet vehicles. Experienced bidders can save thousands compared to dealerships. Another advantage is convenience. You can register online, view upcoming auctions, and even bid remotely, making it accessible for those who can't attend in person. Staff are usually available to assist first-time bidders. However, there are considerations. Auctions move quickly, and inexperienced bidders may overpay or miss out. Some vehicles may have outstanding finance or require repairs, so due diligence is critical. Registration and buyer fees also apply. In conclusion, Shoreham Vehicle Auctions is a reliable option for anyone looking to buy vehicles competitively. With proper preparation and understanding of the process, auctions can be a cost-effective and exciting way to purchase a car. Subscribe for more honest auction and automotive reviews before you place your next bid.